Hi folks, so another lovely van to show you here, and this time it's the 2018 Ford Transit Custom L1 2 litre TDCi. Just one owner from new. This van's a 290, so slightly higher payload than its lighter 270s and 250s. As I say, just one owner from new. This van, full service history. Yeah, a lovely van. It's just turned, I think it's just gone on to 44,000. As I say, great service history with this van, but we will also be having it serviced with a new timing belt. So these vans run these wet belt arrangements, so it's prudent just to have it changed. So we'll get a complete new timing belt with idlers and oil pump belt, serpentine belt, new sump, all the stuff, all genuine Ford parts that will be used. Been relined in here, or certainly some of it's been done. So yeah, we've got a complete timing belt service and a 1-year MOT. Lovely condition, as you can see here. Terrific example, and has covered 44,428 miles. 6-speed gearbox, Bluetooth, DAB radio in this as well. A terrific example. If you would like to know any more details, just give us a ring on 01738 44 7733. Thanks again for watching.